Hello! Welcome to Talk Emma Learn English. Here, we learn English by talking, listening, and practicing together. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hey everyone, hope you're doing great today.
Before we start, quick question for you. Can you talk about your weekend in English easily?
Or do you stop and think, what should I say?
Don't worry, today we're going to fix that.
Yes, because today's topic is super simple, super useful.
Talking about your weekend.
And we're going to make it fun.
But first, quick reminder.
If you enjoy learning English with real conversations,
make sure you follow the podcast and share it with a friend.
All right, Emma, let's start with a simple question.
Go ahead.
What did you do last weekend?
Oh, my weekend was interesting.
That sounds suspicious.
No, not like that.
Then tell me.
Okay, let's start with Saturday. On Saturday, I planned to wake up early.
Planned. Okay, I already know what happened.
Yes, I didn't wake up early.
Of course.
I woke up at 10:30.
That's not early. That's a full vacation.
Hey, I needed rest.
Sure.
So I woke up late, and then I just stayed in bed scrolling on my phone.
Classic.
Then suddenly I looked at the time.
Let me guess. Panic?
Yes. I was like, oh no, half of my day is gone.
That's a very common feeling.
So learners, you can say, I woke up late, I stayed in bed, I was scrolling on my phone.
Very simple, very natural.
After that, I finally got up and made breakfast.
What did you eat?
I tried to make pancakes.
Tried? That sounds dangerous.
Yes, because I burned them.
Of course you did.
Hey, it was my first time.
What happened exactly?
I forgot to turn off the heat and suddenly smoke everywhere.
Wow, dramatic breakfast.
Yes, I almost called for help.
So what did you eat in the end?
Bread. Simple bread.
After all that effort, just bread?
Yes, very sad story. You can say, I made breakfast, I burned the food, I ate something simple.
These are very useful for beginners. What did you do after breakfast?
After that, I decided to go out.
Nice.
I met my friend at a cafe.
That sounds better already.
Yes, we talked a lot, laughed a lot.
What did you talk about?
Everything. Life, work, random things.
That's the best kind of conversation.
Yes, and we stayed there for almost 2 hours.
Wow, long chat.
You can say, I met my friend, we talked for 2 hours, we had a great time.
Any funny moment?
Oh, yes.
Tell me.
While we were talking, I accidentally spilled my coffee.
Oh no.
Yes, and it went everywhere, on the table, on my bag.
That's embarrassing.
Very.
What did your friend do?
She laughed a lot.
Good friend. What about the evening?
In the evening, I stayed home.
After that busy day, makes sense.
Yes, I watched a movie.
Which one?
Honestly, I don't remember.
That means it was boring.
Yes, I fell asleep.
Perfect ending.
You can say, I stayed home, I watched a movie, I fell asleep. All right, now your turn.
Okay, my Saturday was very different.
Oh, really?
Yes, I woke up early.
Wow, impressive.
I went for a walk.
Healthy lifestyle.
Yes, for one day only. Then I cleaned my room.
That's productive.
Yes, but boring.
You can say, I woke up early, I went for a walk, I cleaned my room.
And things will get more interesting.
Yes, because Sunday is always a different vibe.
Exactly. Saturday is like, let's do things.
And Sunday is like, I don't want to do anything.
That is so true.
All right, let's continue.
So, what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was very lazy.
I expected that.
Hey, Sunday is for rest.
Okay, tell me.
I woke up, and for 10 minutes, I just stared at the ceiling.
Why?
Because I didn't want to get out of bed.
That is the most honest answer ever.
Then I checked my phone,
Of course.
and suddenly 45 minutes passed.
Time disappears on the phone.
Yes, it's like magic. You can say, I woke up late, I stayed in bed, I checked my phone.
Very easy, very useful.
After that, I finally got up, slowly.
Very slowly?
Very, very slowly.
What did you do next?
I made coffee.
That's important.
Yes, without coffee, I cannot function.
Same here.
Then I sat by the window and just relaxed.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, no stress, no rush, just quiet time. You can say, I made coffee, I sat by the window, I relaxed.
Did anything funny happen?
Oh yes, something very silly.
Tell me.
I decided to clean my room,
Good decision.
but instead of cleaning, I started watching old videos on my phone.
Classic mistake.
Yes, I found videos from 3 years ago.
And you forgot about cleaning.
Completely.
So what happened?
After 1 hour, my room was still messy.
But your memories were clean.
Exactly. You can say, I wanted to clean my room, but I got distracted. I watched old videos.
What about lunch?
I ordered food.
Lazy Sunday confirmed.
Yes,
What did you order?
pizza.
Of course.
And I ate while watching a series.
Multitasking.
Yes, eating and watching. You can say, I ordered food, I ate lunch, I watched a series.
What about the evening?
In the evening, I felt a little guilty
Why?
because I didn't do anything productive.
Ah, Sunday guilt.
Yes,
So what did you do?
I tried to read a book.
Try again.
Yes, I read 2 pages.
And then.
I fell asleep.
Perfect ending again.
You can say, I felt tired, I tried to read, I fell asleep. All right, your Sunday?
My Sunday was a little more active.
Oh, really?
Yes, I met my family.
That's nice.
We had lunch together.
Family time is important.
Yes, we talked, laughed, shared stories.
That sounds warm. You can say, I met my family. We had lunch together. We talked and laughed.
Actually, something funny happened. My little cousin asked me,
What?
"Why are you always on your phone?" And I didn't know what to say.
Kids are honest.
Too honest. In the evening, I went for a short walk.
Nice.
And then I prepared for Monday.
Ah, reality comes back.
Yes, weekend is over.
All right, learners, now it's your turn.
Answer these questions. What did you do on Saturday? What did you do on Sunday?
Use simple sentences.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. All right, Emma. Imagine I'm your friend, and I ask you, "Hey, how was your weekend?"
Okay, I'll answer naturally. My weekend was actually really nice, but also a little funny. On Saturday, I planned to wake up early, but I ended up waking up quite late. I stayed in bed for some time and was just scrolling on my phone. Then I realized it was already late, so I quickly got up and made breakfast. I tried to make pancakes, but I burned them, so in the end, I just ate some bread. After that, I went out and met my friend at a cafe. We talked for a long time, and it was really fun. But at one point, I accidentally spilled my coffee, which was a bit embarrassing. In the evening, I stayed at home and watched a movie, but I was so tired that I fell asleep halfway through it. On Sunday, I had a very relaxed day. I woke up late again, made some coffee, and just sat by the window. I wanted to clean my room, but I got distracted and started watching old videos on my phone instead. Later, I ordered some food and watched a series. In the evening, I tried to read a book, but again, I fell asleep. So yes, it was a lazy but enjoyable weekend.
That sounded so natural.
And simple.
That's the key. Simple but connected.
Now your turn.
All right. My weekend was actually quite balanced. On Saturday, I woke up early and went for a walk. It felt really fresh and peaceful. After that, I came back home and cleaned my room, which I had been avoiding for a long time. Then I spent some time relaxing and watching videos. In the evening, I didn't go out, so I just stayed at home and watched a movie. On Sunday, I spent time with my family. We had lunch together, talked a lot, and shared some funny stories. At one point, my little cousin asked me why I was always on my phone, which made everyone laugh. In the evening, I went for a short walk and then prepared for the next day. Overall, it was a simple but good weekend.
That's perfect for learners.
Yes, not too difficult, but very natural.
So here's what you should learn from this episode.
Don't try to speak fast.
Don't try to use difficult words.
Just connect simple sentences.
And tell your story step by step.
Now it's your turn.
Try to answer this. How was your weekend?
Start like this. My weekend was...
Then talk about Saturday.
Then Sunday.
And finally, give your feeling. It was fun, relaxing, busy.
Now let's quickly look at some useful words and expressions from today's episode.
Next is relaxed. Relaxed means feeling calm and not stressed.
Example, I had a relaxed Sunday. Repeat, relaxed.
Next is distracted. Distracted means losing focus.
Example, I wanted to clean, but I got distracted. Repeat, distracted.
Next is embarrassing. Embarrassing means something that makes you feel shy or uncomfortable.
Example, it was embarrassing when I spilled my coffee. Repeat, embarrassing.
Next is lazy. Lazy means not wanting to work or do anything.
Example, I had a lazy weekend. Repeat, lazy.
Next is productive. Productive means doing useful things.
Example, I had a productive Saturday. Repeat, productive.
Next is enjoyable. Enjoyable means something that gives you happiness.
Example, it was an enjoyable weekend. Repeat, enjoyable.
Next is spend time. Spend time means use your time doing something.
Example, I spent time with my family. Repeat, spend time.
And those were today's useful words and expressions.
Now you can talk about your weekend more confidently.
So next time someone asks you,
Dear Hey, how was your weekend?
you'll have a clear answer. Keep learning
Keep speaking.
and enjoy your next weekend.